Welcome guys, this is Anikan Evans and welcome to my channel. In case you've not come across my videos before, I share videos on tech, how to solve problems on YouTube, social media. So you are highly welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be revealing to you how to create a fake background. As a matter of fact, this background you're seeing is fake. Yes, it's actually fake. So I'm going to show you how to create this kind of fake background. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create this kind of fake background using your system, and this is your computer as well as your mobile phone. So please come with me. Let us go to my system show so I can actually show you how to go about it. To create a fake background, we're going to be using two tools, and that is Canva and CapCut. Some people actually prefer using Leonardo.ai or Pinterest to generate their background, but I'm going to show you this easiest way and the simplest way, which is just using your Canva and your CapCut. So you head up to Canva, just type in your browser canva.com, and then here am I in my Canva. You click on create a design, okay, and the next thing is you click on YouTube thumbnail, then head up to element, click on element, then you scroll down to this place that says generate your own, click on it. Now in this box provided here, you will describe the kind of background you want the AI to generate for you. So I've already got mine, so I click generate image, and the AI will generate your image for you. Right, so you just choose any one of your choice. So let me say I'm choosing this, so click on it, then it appears here in the page. So you need to make sure that you drag this image to cover this page outline. Okay, make sure you drag it. So I'm dragging it now to cover to the size of this page outline. Make sure you drag it to that size. So just drag it sideways, up, down, ensure it covers the entire page. Okay, so when you are done with that, just head up to share. Okay, you can see share here, then you come down to download and you click download. Okay, you can either download it as PNG, but I like mine to be in JPEG, so I click on it and I select JPEG. Okay, and then I click on download, and within few seconds my image will be downloaded. Yeah, that's done. So we are going to take this now to CapCut. Let us head up to CapCut now. The first one to do here on CapCut for us to import the clip that we did, okay, that you already filmed. So click on this import. Okay, so here you select the clip and then you click open. So here is the clip we just imported. So to add this clip to the timeline, you either click on this plus or you just click it and then drag it down here. So I'm just going to click on the plus here. And here is the video in our timeline. The next thing we want to do is to import the background that we generated on Canva. So we click on import again to import the background to CapCut. Here is the background I'll be using. Click open. So here's the background that we have just imported to CapCut. Okay, the next thing we want to do is for you to add this background to the timeline here. So you just click it, make sure the background is under the video clip. So you click on it here, drag it down to this timeline. Okay, as you can see, I've added it. I said the video clip should be up, so I drag the video clip up. And then ensure that you drag this background to the length of the video, and that's it. After we have successfully added our video clip and the image to the timeline, the next thing we're going to do is for us to add a blur effect to this image here. You don't want to make it very sharp, so just want to blur it a little. So to blur this image, click on effects, come down to lens, click on lens, then scroll down and look for blur. Okay, this is the blur effect. So you click this blur effect and you drag it over the image. Okay, all right, drag it over the image and you reduce it a little bit to this, take it down to, let's say, 15. Okay, down to 15. Okay, that should be enough. Then the next thing you want to do is for you to remove the background of the video. So you click on the video, okay, and then you come over to cut out. Now, as a matter of fact, your own might be BG removal. Okay, whether you see BG removal or you see cut out, is the same thing. So what you need to do now is for you to click on the clip here on the timeline, then click on cut out, and then you see auto cut out. So you click on it, and once you do that, as you can see, this place processing the background removal has already started work. So you're going to give it a little time for it to complete. So successfully removed. The next thing we want to do is to add filter so that the video can blend with the background. And so the next thing we'll do is to go to filter, click on filter, all right, and then select any filter of your choice. Okay, there is one I like using, and that one is salt. So you click on it and make sure you click on the video. Okay, all right, so before you select the filter, so I've clicked on the video now on the timeline, then I go over to the filter of my choice, which is salt, and I click on it. Okay, all right, it has been applied. So the next thing I will do now is to click on adjustment here, up here, click on adjustment, all right, and I'll click on custom adjustment. No, I can't start again. Okay. So then all right, let me just get this. Let me lower the volume small. The volume is getting out of hand. Okay, so just after you click this custom adjustment, click on plus to add it to the track. Okay, then make sure that you drag it, let this custom that has been added, the custom adjustment, drag it to the end, the beginning of the video and to the end as well. So once you're done with that, you come over to this section and try to play around a little bit with it. So we can take the temperature over here, just adjust these parameters a bit. I don't like toggling too much, so I just take this temperature to like 13. I love it. Let me make it last 13. Then I'll just touch the saturation a little bit Just take it to 4. I think I like that. Then which other thing again can I also do? Then the sharpen, I can take the sharpen, let's say to 9. No, let me just make it 9. I think it's nice that way. So once you are done with adding the filter and the adjustment, all you have to do is for you to head up to export, okay, which is over here. Click on export, all right, and then you go ahead and export your video. Is done. So that's just simply, so over here you just click on export down here. I like exporting it at this resolution of 1080 pixels, so I like it that format. If you don't like, you can, if you film with any other resolution on your phone, maybe like 4K, you can use 4K, but I use this on my phone, so I just have to export with this. Okay, so what you have to do is just to come down bottom here and then click export, and your video will start exporting. Okay, and when it's done, then you are okay. Now let us move over to that of the mobile phone. So if you're using your mobile phone, simply go to your browser and then type canva.com, then you search. Okay, then it will take you to Canva. So once you are here in Canva, you click on this plus sign at the bottom. Okay, I believe you can see it. Click on this plus sign here at the bottom. Okay, you go ahead and click it, and then you click on, you want to click on YouTube thumbnail. Okay, you click on it, and then the next thing you go to elements. You can see elements at the bottom here. You can see elements at the bottom here. So you click that. Okay, you scroll up, then you see generate your own. You click it. When you click on it, you click open. So in this box, you just describe what you want the AI to generate for you. Okay, so I've just paste what I want and then click on generate image. And so here is the 4 image that's generated. If you don't like these ones, click on generate again. Okay, but I just want to select any one of the choice. Let me just go for, let's say, this other one. Select on this. So now when you get down here, make sure you drag it to cover this this background here. Make sure you drag this image to cover this outline so that it will fit in your video. Okay, once you are done, simply head up to this arrow here that looks like an arrow, this stuff here. Okay, you click on that. Okay, to download. Okay, then you click on download, and then I like my video to be downloaded in JPEG, so you select this, and then I select JPEG. If you want to be in PNG, you can always leave it like that. Okay, and then the next thing you want to click is download. So click on download, and your image is being downloaded. Good. So now the next thing you need to do is to take this downloaded image to CapCut. So let's go there now. So here in your CapCut, just click on new project. After importing the image into our timeline, what we need to do next is to add the video. When you want to add the video to your timeline, you click on overlay. So you scroll and you look for overlay. Make sure you don't select the timeline. Okay, just deselect the timeline, then click on overlay, then click on the plus add overlay, then you locate the video. Okay, and then you add it. So now in that way,
Now the video has been added to the timeline. So what you need to do next is for you to remove the background. Okay, just remove the background. By removing the background, if you want to remove the background, what you need to do is just to tap on the video and then you look for below here, you scroll and look for remove BG. Okay, please, you can see it here, remove BG. All right, so here is remove BG. You just click it. Okay, and the background, you see auto removal, click on it. Okay, so it has started removing the background. As you can see, the background is being removed. All right, so just click the check. All right, I'm just gonna click on the timeline, then adjust the video here so to fit on the background the way I want it to be. Okay, I think that's okay. And then the next thing I want to do is to then you click the back here and then you click on effects. Okay, you have effects here, you click on effects here. Okay, but you've seen that, and then here we go, click on video effects. Okay, and then it's loading. You scroll to lens and click lens. You want to just blur the background. Okay, and so you look for blur. Look for blur. This is it over here. We click on blur. So we've added it to our timeline, and okay, so let's just check it a little bit. We've checked it now after adding the blur, but the blur seems to be really much, so we have to adjust it a little bit by clicking on adjustment. Then we take it the blur down, let's say to 20. Okay, 15. Let's leave it at 15. Okay, and then what we need to do now is you click the check here at the right hand side, bottom right hand side here. Okay, let me circle it for you to see. Good, so you click it there, check it, that's done. And then you might need to put a filter. If you need to put a filter, you click this back here, click the back again, and then you just scroll down, find a filter. Then you can actually add your filter of your choice, like we did in using the system. We added the salt filter, so you can add the filter as well. Just scroll down and scroll, then look for the filter of your choice. I'm using the one we use when we're using the system. We're gonna use salt, that's the one we use there. So this is it, I just click on it. So you want to click on it, okay, and then it loads up. Okay, it has been added. So after clicking the filter, just click on adjust here, up here. Then you can decide to maybe increase the brightness, saturation, to just suit you. So just play around the sharpening, this sharpening. You can take it a little bit, maybe to whatever you want. Adjust it to what you want it to be. Let's say sharpen, just make it 10, and saturation, click on saturation, maybe take it to let's say 4, or just thereabouts. Just play around with it, and then when you've gotten your desired result, you just check it here, and then make sure you drag this background to cover. Click the background and drag it to the length of the video. Okay, ensure you do that before exporting. Ensure you do that. Drag it to the length of the video. Very, very important. Okay, return it back. Make sure it's to the length. Don't make it more than. Let it just be to the length of the video, so that you can have a perfect work. Okay, don't make it shorter, don't make it longer than. Let it just be. Okay, that's it. And then the same thing, you scroll back again and equally drag the adjustment you made, this adjustment down here. Also drag it to the length of the video, so that the adjustment you made can be applied throughout the video. Okay, so that's just it. Make sure it ends with the video, and then when you are done with all that, you just click on export. Okay, and then start exporting. Now let me show you. The export key is up here. Is it? So just this export key, just click on it and your video will be exported.
So please, if you know you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and like the video. Equally turn on that notification bell so that you can get to be informed when we post new videos like this. And please don't forget to share.